Me and Tony decided to take a day out to Wenvoe Garden Centre, which is up near Cardiff. We weren't really looking for anything in particular, but we just decided to go there as we hadn't been there before, and they did have some lovely plants. Plenty of plants for outside areas, and they also had a beautiful indoor jungle section. Got some lovely things. Yeah, that's nice. They are lovely. Look at the size on them. I want one.
Thank you, Mitch.
That's alright.
There's some more tree ferns over on the shore there. We've got some smaller ones.
Oh, yeah. Get in the car?
I'll get it in my car. So, we've got the tree fern home and it's a little bit windy, but I'm going to get it out and in the ground today before this wind gets any worse. I've got a few options of where I can plant it. I thought I could either move this little pear tree, that's no problem, or failing that, I could actually put it in this area here by the pond. Both areas are quite protected with a wall, and both of them are in sort of partial shade. So decisions. Where to put it? Right, it's now started to rain, but I'm determined to get this in, and I've decided that I'm definitely gonna put it in this area here. So I'm gonna get my spade and I'm gonna dig a big hole. So as usual, a complete change of plan. I have moved a plant from here, but I put the tree fern in and I didn't like it. So I've moved a rhododendron here. And this is in quite a shady spot, so hopefully everything will go okay. And the tree fern, as you can see, is in the oval bed. I'll have to fleece this up now for the winter, but hopefully it'll do okay here. I did snap 2 of the fronds getting it home in the car, but I did try my best to be gentle with it. And it does look quite healthy there on the inside. That's why I chose this one. And as I said, this is a 2-foot trunk on this one. And keep it well watered now and protected. And hopefully it'll thrive in this spot here. Tony's new totem has gone in the centre bed. And that looks really nice there. Well, thank you for joining me today in the garden on this very blustery and cold end of September day. It's really turned out bad, the weather, but I wanted to get that job done. So until next time, see you all soon. Bye for now. And I'm going indoors now for a nice cup of coffee. Bye.